हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सभी। वेलकम टू द चैनल। सो दिस इज़ द थर्ड वीडियो ऑफ द स्पीडी एमसीक्यू सीरीज़। ये स्पीडी हमारी दिसंबर 2024 का लेटेस्ट एडिशन है। अगर आपने पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2 नहीं देखा है तो यू कैन गो एंड वॉच दोज 2 पार्ट्स फर्स्ट। लिंक उन वीडियोज़ का डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको मिल जाएगा। सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ पार्ट 3, क्वेश्चन नंबर 191। Which union minister launched the web portal Paridhi 24x25 and AI taxonomy e-book? Correct answer है गिरिराज सिंह। Next is Harini Amarasuriya has become the new prime minister of which neighboring country? Correct answer is Sri Lanka. And Disayanke has become the president of the Sri Lanka. ये आप ध्यान में रखेंगे। Which cricket team has won the Duleep Trophy 2024 title? Correct answer is India A. In which state will the National Maritime Heritage Complex be established? It is going to be established in Gujarat, and this maritime heritage is going to be established jointly by India and Vietnam. And Gujarat में भी specific, there is a place called Lothal which is an Indus Valley civilization site जहाँ पे एक डॉकयार्ड मिला था, यहाँ पे ये इस्टेब्लिश होने वाली है। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज विच कंट्री वॉन द ब्रॉन्ज मेडल ऑफ एशियन टेबल टेनिस वुमेन चैम्पियनशिप ऑफ 2024? करेक्ट आंसर इज इंडिया। विच मिशन हैज़ बिन लॉन्च टू प्रमोट क्रूज टूरिज्म इन इंडिया? इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। करेक्ट आंसर इज क्रूज इंडिया मिशन। एक्सरसाइज काजिंद हैज़ बिन कंडक्टेड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड विच कंट्री? तो इंडिया एंड कजाकिस्तान के बीच में ये कंडक्ट होती है। कुछ डिफरेंट एक्सरसाइजेस की मैं बात करूं तो विन बैक्स कंडक्ट होती है इंडिया एंड वियतनाम के बीच, ठीक है। इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट नोमैडिक एलिफेंट तो ये कंडक्ट होती है इंडिया एंड मंगोलिया के बीच। ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ ऑजिंडेक्स, ठीक है। इंडोनेशिया के साथ गरुड़ शक्ति, जापान के साथ धर्म गार्जियन एट्सेट्रा। दीज आर नेम ऑफ सम ऑफ द एक्सरसाइजेज। नाउ लेट्स मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 198. Who has become the new director of the National Crime Records Bureau NCRB? And this NCRB comes under Home Ministry. ये आपको ध्यान होना चाहिए, ठीक है। एंड करेंटली इनके डायरेक्टर जनरल जो हैं वो आलोक रंजन जी हैं। Who has become the new president of India's neighboring country श्रीलंका? अभी मैंने बताया अनुराग कुमार दिस्यांके, तो ये आपका क्लियर हो गया होगा। विच एयरपोर्ट हैज़ बिन नेम्ड आफ्टर जगत गुरु संत तुकाराम महाराज? करेक्ट आंसर इज पुणे एयरपोर्ट। ऑल्सो पुणे में एक मिलिट्री म्यूज़ियम भी इनॉग्रेट हुआ है। इसके अलावा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पार्क पुणे में इनॉग्रेट हुआ है। तो पुणे से रिलेटेड आप ये 2 करंट अफेयर्स भी ध्यान में रखेंगे, ओके। Now question number 201. Which position has India achieved in the Asia Power Index of 2024? Correct answer is 3rd position. Which team has won the title of Men's Asian Hockey Championship Trophy of 2024? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा हमारा इंडिया। Which state has achieved the first position in the State Food Security Index? Correct answer इसका हमारा केरला है, ठीक है। B केरला is right. Which new airlines of India has got approval from the Aviation Ministry? The name of the airline is Shankh Airline. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced the opening of 2 new consulates of which country in Boston and Los Angeles? So both of these are there in USA. Also USA this year is important because 47th president of USA has been appointed recently. नाम क्या उनका? डोनाल्ड ट्रंप। एंड अगर इनकी पार्टी क्वेश्चन में पूछा जाए तो वो कंजर्वेटिव पार्टी से हैं। दिस यू नीड टू रिमेंबर। सेकेंड, वॉशिंगटन में क्वाड समिट ऑफ 2024 वॉज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, ठीक है। दैट इज़ वाई यूएसए इज इम्पॉर्टेंट दिस ईयर। नाउ वेयर विल द कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स ऑफ 2026 बी हेल्ड? करेक्ट आंसर इज ग्लासगो। How many crore of rupees have been allocated for the Pradhan Mantri Janjatiya Unnat Gram Abhiyan Yojana? So a sum of 79,156 crore has been given. Also this scheme is going to be implemented by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and this is especially for the scheduled tribes. इसकी शुरुआत झारखंड से की गई है। दिस यू ऑल्सो नीड टू नो। एंड झारखंड में एक बहुत बड़ा ट्राइबल लीडर रहे हैं बिरसा मुंडा, ठीक है, ये इनका नाम आपको याद होना चाहिए। एंड मुंडा रिवॉल्ट, बिरसा मुंडा रिवॉल्ट वॉज ऑल्सो नोन एज उलूगन रिवॉल्ट, ठीक है। तो ये कुछ हिस्टोरिकल पार्ट मैंने आपको रिवाइज करा दिया। नाउ लेट्स प्रोसीड फर्दर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 208, द फेमस नगर वन योजना हैज़ बीन लॉन्च बाय विच मिनिस्ट्री? सो इट हैज़ बीन लॉन्च बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट, फॉरेस्ट एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज। देखो नगर वन है तो इसको अर्बन मत समझ के, अर्बन अफेयर्स मत टिक करना, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट एंड फॉरेस्ट एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज की मिनिस्ट्री है। हु विल ऑपरेट द एक्सियम 4 मिशन टू द इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन? करेक्ट आंसर इज शुभांशु शुक्ला। Which woman has recently become the 3rd woman chief minister of Delhi till date? Correct answer is Atishi Marlena. First was Sushma Swaraj. Second was Sheila Dikshit. Sheila Dikshit the second thing, and Atishi Marlena has become the 3rd woman chief minister of Delhi. Which medal did Dhanush Loganathan of India win in the Junior World Weightlifting Championship of 2024? So he won a bronze medal. Who won the Miss India Worldwide 2024 title? So it has been won by Dhruvi Patel. Uttar Pradesh government has announced to set up how many high-tech nurseries in the state? Correct answer is 73. Also a vulture conservation center has also been established in Gorakhpur district. Okay. Next important fact about Uttar Pradesh is, एक चीज़ आपको बताता हूँ, उत्तर प्रदेश में टोटल 75 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं, बट रिसेंटली ड्यू टू द ऑकरेंस ऑफ महाकुंभ दिस ईयर, महाकुंभ हैज़ बीन मेड द 76th डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश, ठीक है। तो ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है। नाउ विच कंट्री हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट कंट्री टू एलिमिनेट लेप्रोजी? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। करेक्ट आंसर हमारा जॉर्डन है। अगर मैं बात करूँ इजिप्ट की एंड कैबो वर्डे की, ठीक है, इन दोनों ने मलेरिया को इरेडिकेट किया है, तो ये आप ध्यान रखेंगे। लेप्रोजी को एलिमिनेट करने वाला इज जॉर्डन। आई होप कि ये फैक्ट्स आपको क्लियर हों, आपको कन्फ्यूज़न ना हो इसमें। नाउ विच स्टेट इन इंडियाज नॉर्थ ईस्ट हैड डिक्लेयर्ड इटसेल्फ टू बी मिलिटेंसी फ्री? करेक्ट आंसर इज मणिपुर। विच फिल्म हैज़ बीन सेलेक्टेड एज इंडियाज ऑफिशियल एंट्री इन ऑस्कर 2025? करेक्ट आंसर है हमारा लापता लेडीज। विच मेडल डिड इंडिया विन इन द 45th FIDE चेस ओलंपियाड? इंडिया को गोल्ड मेडल मिला है। ऑल्सो गोल्ड मेडल मिला है बोथ मेंस एज वेल एज वुमेंस टीम को। सो दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट। अभी रिसेंटली FIDE वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन की मैं बात करूं तो वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप का फाइनल हुआ था बिटवीन इंडिया एंड चाइना। चाइना को रिप्रेजेंट किया था डिन लेरिंग ने एंड इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट किया था डी गुकेश ने। सो रिसेंटली डी गुकेश हैज़ बिकम द वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन, FIDE वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन ऑफ द ईयर 2024। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 218, वेयर विल बी द आईफा अवार्ड्स बी हेल्ड इन द ईयर 2025? करेक्ट आंसर इज जयपुर। विच कंट्रीज वुमेन क्रिकेटर हर्षिता समरविक्रमा has won the ICC Player of the Month award for August 2024? Correct answer is Sri Lanka. Which Indian won the gold medal in the men's 10-meter air pistol event at the Top Gun Cup? Correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा अनमोल जैन। 2 women officers of Indian Navy, Lieutenant Commander Rupa A and Lieutenant Commander Dilna K, will circumnavigate the whole world on which ship? Very important question. Correct answer is INSV Tarini. Which male cricketer has won the ICC Player of the Month title for August 2024? Correct answer is Dunitha Velalage. Which state has recently given the status of special tribal group to the Mankidia community? Correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा इसका उड़ीसा। एंड इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट बंजाराज, ठीक है, तो ये अभी बहुत न्यूज़ में रही है क्योंकि बंजारा म्यूजियम हैज़ बीन इनॉग्रेटेड इन महाराष्ट्र एंड दीज आर दी communities of Maharashtra. The Prime Minister of India has inaugurated the Banjara Museum. That is why this is very important. The 55th IFFI Festival 2024 is going to be held in Goa. Where was the third World Food India 2024 organized? So it is going to be organized in New Delhi. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the shipping ministry? Correct answer is Manu Bhakar. How many crore of rupees have been allocated by the Union Cabinet for the Chandrayaan 4 mission? Correct answer is 2104.06 crore. On the recommendation of which committee has the One Nation One Election been done? रामनाथ कोविंद चेयरमैन थे और इस कमेटी में होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह भी इंक्लूडेड थे। लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन एक टाइम पर रहे हुए गुलाम नबी आज़ाद, NK सिंह, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द 40th द चेयरमैन ऑफ द 14th फाइनेंस कमीशन, ये सारे भी इंक्लूडेड थे। इनका भी आप नाम ब्रीफली याद रख सकते हो। Who has become the first woman pilot to fly the Tejas fighter aircraft? Correct answer is Mohana Singh. Who has recently launched the NPS Vatsyalaya Yojana? Correct answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. Which union minister recently launched the Bhaskar project? Correct answer is Piyush Goyal. How much money has been allocated by the Center for Relief and Rehabilitation of People Affected by the Natural Disaster? Correct answer is 12,554 crore. Who is the first Pakistani woman to become an international cricket umpire? Important question है. Correct answer is Salima Imtiaz. How many medals has India won in the Paris Paralympic Games of 2024? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा हमारा 29 medal. Engineers Day celebrated every year on 15 September across the country on whose birthday? तो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा इसका मोश्का गुंडम विश्वेश्वरा. Which tennis player has won the women's single title in the US Open of 2024? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा इसका हमारा आर्यना सबलेंका. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 237 देखते हैं. Who has recently been selected for the Eklavya Award of 2024? Correct answer is Pratyasha Rai. Which tennis player has won the men's single title in the US Open? Correct answer is Jannik Sinner. Who is the first Indian to be elected as the president of the Asian Olympic Council? Correct answer is Randhir Singh. How many personalities have received the Raman Magsaysay Award for the year 2024? Correct answer is 4 persons have been selected. Which football team has won the SAF Under-20 championship title? Correct answer is Bangladesh. Which state in India has become the first to approve the unified pension scheme? Maharashtra has become the first state. Now recently it has been announced to create 5 new districts in Ladakh. So how many new districts of Ladakh will be there in the union territory? पहले 2 districts थे, अब 5 और ऐड हुए हैं, तो टोटल नंबर अब 7 हो चुके हैं. Kapil Parmar has become the first Indian athlete to win a Paralympic medal in which sport? Correct answer is judo. Next is which Indian female wrestler won the gold medal in the Under-20 World Wrestling Championship? Correct answer is Jyoti Barwal. In which event did Sumit Until win the gold medal in the Paris Paralympics? Correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा सुमित अंटिल हमारे जो हैं वो जैवलिन थ्रोअर हैं. In which country will host the ICC World Test Championship final in the year 2025? So England will host. Rural Doctors Movement was awarded the Raman Magsaysay Award of 2024. It belongs to which country? Very important question. Correct answer है हमारा it belongs to Thailand. The Ministry of Panchayati Raj signed an agreement with whom with the aim of strengthening system for social change. Important question है. Correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा UNICEF India. Now let us see the next question. Which state government has launched the Subhadra Yojana? Correct answer is Odisha. Where was the country's first Namo Bharat rapid rail inaugurated? Important question है. Correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा इसका गुजरात. The government of India has approved health insurance of how many lakh rupees for Indian citizens, senior citizens? तो correct answer is 5 lakh. Now, next is which country recently took seat as a member country of the United Nations in the 79th General Assembly session? Correct answer is Palestine. Where did PM Modi inaugurate the Semicon India 2024? Correct answer is हरियाणा. सॉरी, करेक्ट आंसर इज उत्तर प्रदेश. उत्तर प्रदेश के नोएडा में हुई है ये. The President Draupadi Murmu honored how many people with the National Florence Nightingale Award? Correct answer is 15. The joint military exercise Al-Najah was conducted between India and which country? So India and Oman. Which app was recently launched by the Union Fisheries Minister? Important question है. Correct answer is Rangoli Fish. How many crore rupees have been provisioned by the Union Cabinet under the PM E-Drive scheme? Correct answer है 10,900 crore rupees. National Space Day is celebrated in India on 23rd August and it is the day on which the Chandrayaan 3 ठीक है touched down on the south pole of the moon and that point is known as Shiv Shakti point. ठीक है. दिस इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. इस ईयर बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स में पूछा जा सकता है ये, तो ये आप ध्यान रखेंगे. हु हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट इंडियन फीमेल रेसर टू विन द नेशनल चैम्पियनशिप? तो करेक्ट आंसर इज डियाना पंडोल. In the 54th GST Council meeting, the GST rate on cancer medicine has been reduced to what amount? They have been reduced to 5%. Also, कैंसर के रिगार्डिंग एक बहुत बड़ी डेवलपमेंट हुई है. IIT बॉम्बे with the help of Tata Institute has built a CAR T cell therapy which is indigenously developed in India for cancer treatment. So ये भी आप ध्यान में रखेंगे. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Just a second. Yes. In which sport did Avni Lakhera win the gold medal in the Paris Paralympics? Correct answer is shooting में. With which country did India sign an MOU to enhance cooperation in the field of tourism? Correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा मलेशिया. Where was the Global FinTech Fest 2024 organized? It was organized in Mumbai. Which ministry launched the She-Box portal? So this portal is regarding complaints regarding violence against women. So this portal has been launched by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Now, who was recently elected as the chairman of the Parliamentary Official Language Committee? So this has been led by Amit Shah ji, the Home Minister of India. So next question is, who launched the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Kisan Samriddhi Sahyojana? So correct answer is Rajiv Ranjan Singh. The All India Institute of Medical Science AIIMS inaugurated a tobacco cessation clinic in which city? Important question है. Correct answer is New Delhi. On which foundation anniversary of Supreme Court was the new flag and logo unveiled? So 75th is the correct answer. Where was the Commonwealth Chess Championship of 2024 held? So it was held in Sri Lanka. India's first conservation and breeding center for conservation of Asian king vulture have been started in which state? करेक्ट आंसर इज उत्तर प्रदेश. मैंने अभी आपको बताया उत्तर प्रदेश के गोरखपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ही ओपन हुआ है. तो देखो उसमें MCQ भी आ गया. ठीक है. टाटा एडवांस सिस्टम लिमिटेड हैज साइंड एन एग्रीमेंट विथ हूम फॉर C-130J सुपर हरकुलिस प्रोग्राम इन इंडिया? इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. करेक्ट आंसर है हमारा लॉकहीड मार्टिन. एथलीट निशात कुमार हैज वॉन विच मेडल इन द हाई जंप एट पेरिस पैरालंपिक्स? इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा सिल्वर मेडल. पंचायती राज मिनिस्ट्री ऑर्गेनाइज्ड a 5-day मैनेजमेंट डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम विथ whom? So IIM अमृतसर. How many crore of rupees have been approved by the Union Cabinet for the Digital Agriculture Mission? Correct answer is 2817 crore. Recently, the Anubhav Puraskar Award was given by whom? Correct answer is Department of Pension and Pensioners Welfare. Recently, how many railway stations under Lucknow division of Uttar Pradesh have been renamed? Correct answer is 8. In which event did Sharad Kumar and Pariyappan Thangavelu win medal in Paris Paralympics? Important question है. Correct answer is high jump. Who has been appointed as the selector of the men's cricket team by the BCCI? Correct answer is Ajay Ratna. Who recently launched the first phase of Project Naman? Very important question. Correct answer is Indian Army. Who is the first Indian female athlete to win 2 medals in track field event in Paris Paralympics? Correct answer is Preeti Pal. Finance Ministry released the Navratna status of how many companies? Correct answer is 4. Union Minister George Kurian has been elected unopposed to Rajya Sabha from which state? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which bank has launched a new saving bank account scheme named Avani for women? Important question है. Correct answer is Bandhan Bank. Mukhyamantri Sukh Shiksha Yojana has been launched by which state government? This is also an important question. Correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Who have been made the Indian flag bearer for the closing ceremony of Paris Paralympics? Very important question. Correct answer is Harvinder Singh and Preeti Pal. In which country was the Asian Hockey Championship trophy organized? It was organized in China and India won by defeating China. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi launched the Dal Jal Sanchay Jan Bhagidar initiative in which state city? Correct answer is Surat. Which union minister have been included in Time magazine list of AI most influential people? Correct answer is Ashwini Vaishnaw. Which state government has launched 33% reservation for women in the police force? Correct answer to this question is Rajasthan. Where did President Murmu inaugurate the Vishwa Shanti Buddha Vihar? Correct answer to this question is Maharashtra. Which award did Indian club thrower Dharamveer win in the Paris Paralympics? Important question है. Correct answer है हमारा इसका gold medal. Who is the oldest Indian to swim across the English Channel alone? Important question है. Correct answer is Siddharth Agarwal. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has announced to build how many football stadium in the state? Correct answer is 18. With which country has India partnered for semiconductor? Correct answer is Singapore. Which country has scored the highest power play total in T20 history? Correct answer is Australia. With which country has the Indian Navy recently conducted the Varun exercise? Correct answer is France. Who has won the title of Under-20 SAF Football Championship? Correct answer is Bangladesh. How many crore rupees have been approved by the Union Cabinet for hydropower projects in the northeastern states? तो करेक्ट आंसर इसका हो जाएगा हमारा 4136 करोड़. Who won the title of Indian National Chess Championship? Correct answer is Karthik Venkataraman. Paris Olympics 2024 was organized in Paris, the capital of France, between which state? तो 28 अगस्त to 8 September. Union Home Minister has announced the creation of 5 new districts in which union territory? लद्दाख में 5 districts announce किए गए हैं. To whom has the President Draupadi Murmu recently given the first Vigyan Ratna Award? It was given to Govind Rajan Padma Bhanan for research in the field of malaria. Now recently Pentagon Shinawatra has become the youngest Prime Minister of which Asian country? Correct answer is Thailand. Who has won the Best Actor Award in the 70th National Film Awards? Correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा ऋषभ शेट्टी. Which country has recently signed green ammonia export agreement? Important question है. Correct answer हो जाएगा हमारा जापान. First National Space Day was celebrated on 23rd August. And question number 308 है हमारा. How many medals did India win in the 17th International Earth Science Olympiad held in Beijing? So 308 का correct answer है 8. So we have done with the 100 questions. आने वाले वीडियोस में हम बाकी के क्वेश्चंस को करेंगे. Till then, keep studying. Thank you.